In this video, I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp not ringing on incoming calls. The first thing you want to do is head over to your settings. Now here you want to scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of applications, go ahead and find WhatsApp. Once you have found it, select that. Now find the option of notifications. Make sure that you toggle on the option of notifications in this way. You want to set the notification preview to always, then go back to settings. Now tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, launch open your settings. Then select general management. Now tap on reset. Then tap on reset mobile network settings. Then tap on reset settings. Now restart your phone. After this, WhatsApp calls should ring normally. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.